Hi there, IGBits welcoming you all for happy learning. Today we will look into different systems to measure an angle. Measurement of angles is the topic. Let's get started. Please do visit us at our YouTube channel @IGBits. I'm sure you are willing to share our information to your extended friend circle to help the friends who are in need. This is one of the platform we have to leverage to help support to get both parties benefited. Thank you for all your support. Keep doing same. Measurement of angles. When you say angle, angle means measure of rotation. Right? We have a positive angles and negative angles. Right? What are the measurement of angles? There are three systems that are exist for measuring the angles. Sexagesimal system, centesimal system, circular system. Sexagesimal system is a English system. We also known as degree system, whereas centesimal system, which is a French system, also known as a grade system. A circular system is nothing but a radian measurement system. So well-known names are degree system, grade system, and the radian system. Do you ever question ourselves like why circle is having only 360 degrees? Why not 100, 200 degree and all, right? So when you look at a degree system, which is a British system, English system, right? So where they have used sexagesimal system means base 60 system. So they divided circle in terms of 60 multiples. The rationale for this is if you can take a circle of r radius and then try to construct a equilateral triangle of side equal to radius of the circle, then they could actually fit 6 number of equilateral triangles within the circle. So now the question is 60 plus 60 plus 60 is equal to 180 is covers half of the circle. Another 190 is being occupied by other three equilateral triangles. So total 6 equilateral triangles are who could fit within the circle when side of the triangle is equal to radius of that particular circle. So with that rationale also, they think that 360 degrees would be the more appropriate a division that they could imagine. Probably there is much more beyond. I think this is sufficient for us to understand for a minute. Now the question is, the degree system is based on circle of 360 degrees is a conclusion. So a degree is defined as 1 of 360 turnarounds. A full 360 turn is required to form a complete circle, one revolution. If you try to complete one revolution, that means like you have to travel 360 degrees round. Okay, not only the degrees, they have a minutes and they have a seconds. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So with this relation, you should be able to convert given value into absolute degrees. So this is how a sexagesimal system or the degree system works. Earlier days we use a degree system or sexagesimal system to represent the time. we see hours, minutes, seconds. That is how the degree system is also being built. One instance that I can say, these type of systems you might have seen in as a GPS locations in a navigation system. Okay, longitude, latitude, those things actually represented in the same format. Even our day of 24 hours, each hour equal to 60 minutes, each minute is subdivided into 60 seconds. So these are all basically a sexagesimal system. Okay, how do you do the conversion? What we spoke about is 1 degree equal to 60 minutes, right? If at all gives rise 1 minute equal to 1 by 60 degree, is it? So 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. How do you convert 1 second equal to 1 by 60 minutes? And the same way 1 by 60 times 60 you know degrees, right? This is how we can convert. I hope you're clear, right? So if you can convert this into degrees, this is 23 plus 30 times. How do you convert minutes into degree? Minutes into degree, like 1 degree equal to 1 minute equal to 1 by 60 degree, right? So this is 1 by 60 multiplied, but this one is a 30 seconds. How do you represent seconds into degree? This is how the number, right? So times 1 by 60 into 60, right? So by simplifying this, so you will get the total in degrees. 23 plus f plus how much this one, 1 by 120. If you can simplify this, what we get is in degrees. Okay, this is how you can convert given notation into in the form of degrees. Circular system is another type of system to measure the angles. This is also known as a radian system. The radian is a SI units that is used to measure the angles. 1 radian is the angle made at center of a circle by an arc whose length is equal to radius of the circle. Does it make sense? Let's say I have a circle of radius r, and then this is in a radius. The length of the radius is equal to r. This is also in a radius, and then length is equal to r. This r and r. Let me note down what I'm saying. This is an r, this is an r. Okay. Now, if I can take this radius and try to move to this edge like this and bend on the arc. Let's say this is what I think I got it. The length of the arc is now is also r. Okay. If the radius is r and then length of the arc is also equal to my length of the radius. In this case, the angle made by arc and a radius is equal to 1 radian. That is what mean by radian. We can also calculate in a standard formula. Let's say that theta is nothing but length of the arc L divided by radius. In our case, length is nothing but r. R by r, so 1 radian. Since all three sides of this portion is r, and hence this system is nothing but radian system. Okay, we can fit these lengths on a circle, right? If you can try to put them like, so what happens is this is one, this is one more, this is one more. Likewise, we can fit like a 6 plus a small portion, right? 6 plus the arcs of radius length r can be fit into this circle. So one complete revolution, right? What we have taken is like 2 pi radians, 0 to 2 pi complete circle, right? In the previous system, what we see, 360 degrees in the degree system is equal to 2 pi radians. in circular system. This is the relationship. Make use of this, we can convert the values from degree to radian, radian to degree. In generally for trigonometry, we use like radians. Okay, there are instances we can denote them as a degrees as well. All right. So we have a one more system called a grade system, which is like a angular measurement system, right? We can call it as a centesimal system as well. So in which what happens is like the entire circle is divided into 400 equal parts. So one right angle triangle is divided into 100 equal parts, right? Each part is called as a grade. Okay, each grade is further divided into 100 equal parts, which is known as minutes. Okay, centesimal minutes. Each minute is further subdivided into 100 equal parts. Each part is known as a seconds, right? A centesimal seconds. This is how the system, the grade system representation. Okay, so now we know 400 grade is what we use to measure one revolution completion, right? Meaning if you complete one complete revolution, it takes 400 grades. So now we have a three systems, and then how much we can measure within that system for one complete revolution, with which we can build the relationship between these three systems for a conversion. Now let's look at the relationship now between the degree and the radian. As per one circle revolution, what we see the relation is 360 degrees in degree system. In circular system, this is nothing but 2 pi radians, right? That is the relationship, which is also nothing but 180 by pi radians, right? So 180 degree equal to pi radian. Now 1 degree equal to how much? Pi by 180 radians. That's why this block. So if the input is degree, then you have to multiply by pi by 180 to get a radian. Similarly, if the input is a radian, then you have to multiply by 180 by pi to get a degrees. Let's say I have 45 degree, need to convert into radians. What I should do, because I know 1 degree equal pi by 180, so 45 times pi by 180 should be your radian. So 45 ones are 45 fours are, so pi by 4 radians is what we get. So degree to radian conversion. Similarly, if the input is given pi by 4, let's say, so which is a radian, right? Now this you should convert into degree using multiplication 180 by pi. So let's see now, pi by 4 times 180 divided by pi. So you can cross over these two. Let me pick a colored option. You can cross pi, then what is get is 180 by 4. If you can divide 4 ones are 4 fours are, and then 5, so 45 degree. So pi by 4 radian is equal to 45 degree. This is how we can use conversion between two systems. In our case, like degree to radian, radian to degree. Similarly, if we have a radian grade relationship, what we have seen is pi radian equal to 200 grades, right? So 1 radian equal to 200 by pi grades, right? If the radian is an input, then you have to multiply it by 200 by pi to get grades. Is it? Other way, if the input is grade, then you have to multiply it by pi by 200 to get radian. This is the logic. Let's say you have 100 grades that need to convert into radian. What do you do? Now you look at here, 1 grade equal to pi by 200 radian. So for 100 grades, how much? 100 multiplied by pi by 200, which is nothing but pi by 2 radian. So you in a circle, if you look at where you would get a pi by 4, pi by 2, this one, right? One quadrant. So 0 to pi by 2, which is also equally divided into 100 grades. So the relationship still hold good for this conversion. This is how you can convert radians into grades, grades into radians. So degree to radian, radian to degree. Any system to any other system can be converted using these multipliers. The relationship is 180 equal to pi equal to 200 grades. That is how you can remember to conversion from one system of measure to another system. Here I have degrees given on my circle. So let's convert them into radians. So 0 means 0 radian, right? That's fine. So here I have 45 degree. Now you have to convert into radian. What should I do? 45 multiplied by pi by 180, which is nothing but pi by 4, right? Similarly for 90, how do you calculate? 90 multiplied by pi by 180. How much you get it? Pi by 2. So 90 degrees is nothing but pi by 2. Now let's look at 135. So 135 multiplied by pi by 180. So 45 3s are 45 4s are. That means 3 pi by 4. How do you convert 180 degrees into radian? 180 multiplied by pi by 180, which is nothing but pi. So this is pi. 225. So 225 times pi by 180. How much you get it? 45 4 ja 45 5 ja, which is 5 pi by 4. Similarly 270. 270 times pi by 180. So how do you calculate this one? 9 0 and 0, 9 2 ja 9 3 ja. So which is 3 pi by 2, right? 315. How do you convert? 315 times pi by 180. Okay, if we can calculate what happens, this one 45 4 ja, this one how much? So you know anyway the conversion, right? Good. Any question? Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, click on bell icon and leave the comments. Thank you all. So let's see in next session.